we're going to hit the ground running. We're going to do a couple of things. We are going to install the tools that we need, a couple of tools that we use to build Android applications. That means making sure we've got Java installed on our machines. It also means making sure that we've got Android Studio installed on our machines. Android Studio is the software, i.e. development environment that we use to build Android apps. We're then going to build a small Hello World application. It's actually one of the boilerplate templates that comes packaged with Android Studio. And we're going to run that application in an Android virtual device, which is like a simulator, but it's actually the real Android OS running on a virtual device on our laptop or desktop computer. It's a great way to debug and preview the applications that we're building while we're in the process of building them. In doing that and looking at that Hello World application, we are going to get to know a little bit about the Android Studio interface. And we're also going to get to know a little bit about the anatomy of an Android application. So what are the files that really make up the structure of an Android application, and how do they interact with and relate to one another? What roles do they play individually? So that's a brief synopsis. We're going to do some setup and tool installation, and then we're going to familiarize ourselves with those tools via interacting with a Hello World application. Cool. So let's dive in.